there, tubers. We're back to show you this here rock that we found. It's just a concrete block that we're going to take this egg that we just pulled out of the refrigerator and see if we can freeze an egg instead of cook an egg. We're going to flip this over. It does have ice on that side, so this side is just frosted from where it was sitting at. And so here we go. Would you like to crack the egg on there, sir? Put it right in the middle of it. And here's the egg. And there it is. That's pretty impressive.
Not freezing though.
It looks like it's getting harder around the edges. It's starting to
Touch it.
freeze up a little bit there on the edges.
Ice.
You're in the light. That way you can't see very well, bud. I'm not sure why you just put ice in our experiment. But anyway, there's an egg. And as you can see, it's actually starting to change colors because it is freezing.
It's actually moving too.
And
Look very closely. It's moving.
we believe that the egg is moving, potentially coming to life right here in front of us. Yeah.
Charlie Brown. Willow, Sienna.
Well, tubers, I'll return in a second. Egg on rock. Cold day.